Okay, problem number 3. For a car traveling at a speed of s miles per hour, the fuel consumption of the car, CS, so CS is equal to the fuel consumption of the car in gallons per mile. Okay, so CS is gallons per mile. Then the question is, what are the units of the integral from a to b of CS ds? Okay, now S is miles per hour, right? So now here's my question, what are the units? What are going to be the units of the integral of this? Okay, well, effectively, this is not really so much about doing any kind of math, it's just about understanding what it is that's happening. Okay, so in order to better understand this, let's take, for instance, velocity. Velocity is going to be in, let's say, meters per second. Okay? Now, if I take the integral of my velocity with respect to time, which is in seconds, right? T would be seconds. What ends up happening? Well, I get something that's position, which wouldn't be meters per seconds anymore, it would be meters. So effectively what I ended up doing was I took the velocity, which was meters per second, and multiplied it by the units of the variable that I'm taking it with respect to, so dt. So I ended up multiplying it by seconds. Alright? So I got meters per second times second equals meters. Alright, so let's explain this in another way. Whenever I'm taking an integral of something, if I want to figure out the units of that integral, what I do is I take the units of the function, gallons per mile in this case, and multiply it by the units of the variable that I'm taking the integral with respect to. So that would be miles per hour. So in this case, it's CS ds, so I multiply the units of my function, gallons per mile, by the units of the variable that I'm taking the integral with respect to, s in this case. So to find the units of this, all I have to do is do gallons per mile and multiply that by miles per hour. And what do I get? Well, the miles cancel out the miles here, and I get gallons per hour, which is C. Alright, that's it for that one. Hope you understand. See you in the next video.